the swing. So I'm going to show you the swing, what it looks like, and then break it down into steps. So you set the bell out in front of you. From the side. To break it down, you start out with a deadlift. Place the bell in between your ankles. You're going to hinge at your hips, load up your hamstrings, grab onto the bell, come all the way up. Strong posture at the top. From there, it's a pendulum swing. From there, it's a swing proper into a pendulum swing. Swing, then pendulum. Swing, pendulum, and then right into the swing. Same thing applies for two bells, doubles. That's the swing.